Moving a desktop PC is usually a nightmare, right? All those cables, peripherals, and the tower itself. But what if there was a bag that made it easy? Well, CURMIO thinks they have the answer with their double-layer PC carrying case. This isn't just a big sack for your tower. The main compartment is specifically designed for desktop towers, with interior dimensions of L19 7 inches by W9 3 inches by H18 5 inches. It's crucial to measure your PC chassis before buying, as they clearly state. The real genius here is the double-layer design with multiple pockets. This gives you enough space to organize all your computer accessories. We're talking keyboard, mouse, all those pesky wires, even a hard drive, radiator, and headphones. No more tossing everything into a separate bag, or worse, just loose in the car. It keeps everything neat, tidy, and easily accessible, which is a huge relief when you're on the go. And let's talk protection. Inside, there's a foam padded insert, plus a removable, fold-away cushion pad. That's a lot of cushioning for your precious hardware. Plus, those 4 bottom feet pads are a thoughtful touch, reducing friction with the ground and protecting your computer and accessories from damage. It really feels like they thought about the bumps and scrapes of travel. Carrying it. They've made that as easy as possible too. You get an adjustable, removable shoulder strap, which is a lifesaver for longer hauls, and reinforced padded handle straps for when you're just grabbing it quickly. The large opening is also a huge plus. No wrestling your tower in or out, which can be surprisingly frustrating with other bags. Durability is key for something carrying expensive tech, and CURMIO delivers with thick nylon material. It's wear-resistant and water-resistant, which gives you a lot of peace of mind, knowing your gear is protected from minor spills or unexpected rain, allowing for long-time use. It's clear this bag is designed for anyone who needs to transport their desktop PC regularly, whether it's for LAN parties, moving between offices, or just storing it safely. It takes the stress out of what used to be a cumbersome task. So, if you're tired of the desktop PC moving struggle, the CURMIO double-layer PC carrying case is an incredibly practical and well-thought-out solution that genuinely simplifies the process.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.